This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. Today, we're diving into the XS Power D3400 XS series battery, a beast advertised for serious power demands. But here's the surprising truth, that raw power isn't always utilized efficiently if your system isn't optimized, potentially leading to overkill for a standard setup and a lighter wallet for no real gain. Let's find out if this powerhouse truly delivers value for your specific needs or if you should skip it. So, what exactly is the XS Power D3400, and why is it making waves? At its core, this is a premium, high-performance 12-volt absorbed glass mat, or AGM, battery, specifically engineered to deliver immense current and superior reliability. It's not your average auto parts store replacement, this is designed for situations that demand more, much more. XS Power, as a brand, has carved out a niche in the aftermarket scene, known for pushing the boundaries of vehicle electrical systems. The D3400 is their robust answer for power-hungry applications like competition-grade car audio, complex off-road setups, or high-performance racing vehicles. Its sealed, maintenance-free AGM construction means it's spill-proof, resistant to vibration, and capable of deep cycling, making it incredibly versatile and durable compared to traditional flooded lead-acid batteries. It's built to deliver consistent, stable voltage even under extreme loads, preventing those annoying voltage drops that can degrade performance and stress your electronics. Let's unpack the key features that set the XS Power D3400 apart and why they truly matter to you, the buyer. First, the massive 3,300 amps cranking power. This isn't just a big number for bragging rights, it signifies a massive reservoir of raw electrical muscle ready to be unleashed. For you, this translates directly into unparalleled starting power, ensuring your engine fires up effortlessly, even in the harshest climates or after long periods of inactivity. Crucially for enthusiasts, this immense capacity provides a rock-solid power supply for demanding accessories like multi-amplifier audio systems, powerful winches, or extensive auxiliary lighting, preventing performance degradation and protecting your expensive electronics from damaging voltage fluctuations. It's about stability under pressure. Next, its advanced AGM, absorbed glass mat, technology. This is where the D3400 truly shines beyond conventional batteries. The electrolyte is completely absorbed into highly porous glass mats nestled between the lead plates. Why does this matter? The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.